twigs for your house plants work really well. We've got this orchid, and so often orchids come tied to straight stakes as this one is. So we're going to take those out. They've got two in here. Oh my, they've got a hook. Let's take it out that way, okay? And we're going to take this one out, and we're going to replace two stakes with one twig. Now, we'll put it in the back, and then we'll take the two stems and put one through there and one through here. All right, so we've got one stake and no ties. Voila. Here we have this beautiful plant with three straight sticks and little clips. So what I'm going to do is take these out really quickly. What we want to do for this plant is we've got one really short twig here that we've already pruned, and now I'm going to trim this one, because even though this plant will grow and we might eventually want a taller twig, for now it's a little tall. So I'm going to just prune it right here along this cutting line with these pruners. There we go. And we'll put this one. Now you just adjust these to whatever location works best for your stem. And I think this is going to work best for this one. We'll turn it like that. Okay. Now this stem needs support, so let's put this one right here. There we go. And then just drape your stem through the arm, and there you go. Thanks for your time. I hope this has been helpful. Wishing you many happy hours with your plants.